Hey, I'm Harley, and this is your explainer on freight rail bridge safety. I bet your mom told you that you should never judge a book by its cover. That still applies when you look at a railroad bridge. It might not be shiny, and it may even have some rust, but it was built tough and it's safe. Every railroad has a formal bridge management program under strict Federal Railroad Administration rules. That means every one of America's more than 61,000 freight rail bridges is inspected at least once a year and many more often. Railroads assign specialized teams, a bridge engineer, inspector, and supervisor, who create custom inspection procedures for each bridge. They check every component, do underwater inspections when needed, and use advanced techniques like sounding or boring to look beneath the bridge's surface. If they find something, a crack, a loose connection, or distortion, it's logged into a report, reviewed by supervisors and engineers, and shared with the FRA. Professional engineers determine whether a bridge is fit for service using strict standards grounded in federal regulations. Federal inspectors also give another layer of oversight. While state and local agencies can request access to the bridge reports, the details aren't made public. This helps keep critical infrastructure secure and avoid misinterpretation. Technology makes inspection teams even stronger. Drones, sensors, and imaging software give inspectors more tools to catch issues long before they become problems. Some railroads are even piloting self-diagnosing bridge systems that send alerts in real time. So what I'm really trying to say is listen to your mom. Even if a bridge looks weathered, appearances are surface level. What matters is the engineering, the constant inspections, the specialized teams, and the federal oversight that keep bridges safe. Check out more of my videos at aar.org/Harley.